Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, no. If you're new to IT or cybersecurity, these days will happen, but they don't have to end your career. They can actually define it. Welcome to the Cyber Don channel. My name is Don. I'm a certified cyber nerd, and today I'm going to help you with what to do when you broke a production server. So the first thing you want to do is take a deep breath and don't panic. Don't start clicking on extra stuff. Don't start resetting things and redoing things. Assess the situation as it is. You are doing something. Now the system is not working. So, hey, you're off to a good start. The very next thing is don't hide. Don't try to hide what's happened. Don't try to mislead it and pretend like it may have been somebody else. Own it. It is super important not to blame the system, not to blame others, but to own any mistakes that you have potentially made. There's even a chance that you didn't make the mistake. It could have been something else. But nevertheless, approach it as you were working on something. Now it's not working, and you're going to own the repair. Mistakes don't end careers, but hiding them absolutely will. Next, the very next call needs to be to your manager, whether it's an instant message, whether it's a text message, whether it's a smoke signal. You need to communicate to your manager exactly what happened. It would be helpful if you already had a plan detailed of this is what happened when, I clicked on this, and then this happened. To have all that information to be able to pass over to him is absolutely critical at this time. Throughout your career, the most important thing is your integrity. And you need to allow that to show because your integrity matters more than perfection. We're all going to make mistakes. Lastly, you should be willing, able, and available to help fix whatever happened. Even if it's not your responsibility to fix that specific server, you want to be a part of it. Because you were potentially part of the issue, you definitely want to be part of the solution. Okay, so engage whatever team, whatever person who is assigned to fix this server, and make sure you're on that call to figure out what went wrong and how you could prevent it in the future. Now, this time is going to be super stressful, but what I want you to remember is that you actually level up under pressure. Now, if you stayed this long through the video, first off, I appreciate it. Definitely smash that like button and let me know that you appreciate the content. In your cyber career, you're absolutely going to break something at some time, at some point. If you haven't already broken something, you absolutely will in the future. These two things will help you when that time comes. First, have a who's who. Now, what this is just a simple document. You could use a notepad, you could put it in a spreadsheet, and all it says is this person or team is responsible for this system. Now, having this laid out prior to any issues, any outages, any issues that may occur of anything being broken, you'll already have a list of the different people that you need to contact when a specific system, network, or website goes down. This is absolutely a gold nugget for us in the IT and cybersecurity field. One of the biggest questions that I've never been asked is how do I fix this if I've broken it? Now, a lot of people ask good questions. But what I'm almost never asked is how do I fix it if I've broken it? This is just as important as knowing how to fix it. Guys, we're going to make mistakes. None of us are perfect. But knowing how to fix those mistakes is what makes the difference between a beginner and an expert. So absolutely start adding these questions into whoever's training you or you're training. Okay, I know how to do this email, but how do I fix it if I've accidentally deleted it? It's going to be key to your cybersecurity career. If you're like me and you've made a mistake in your career, please comment on the worst cyber mistake you made below. And if you found value in this content, please hit subscribe for more cyber survival content. Thanks for watching.